What's going on, guys? Jay, that drain guy. Going into the big box store. Can you guys guess which one? Thank you. So we gotta go clear a drain by the chicken ovens. We're gonna be using the K60 with the 7/8 cable. This is the drain. Bear with me for 1 second. I'm just putting the lens on. All right. So, like I said, we're going to use the K60. Looking for some power. Hey, bud. Can I unplug one of these for now? Just for a quick second?
Yeah, either one's fine.
Either one?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Oh, actually, I totally forgot there's one there. Yeah.
You know what? I'm in here all the time, and that's usually where I plug in. For some reason, didn't even click into me. It's like,
I forgot about it too.
Jesus Christ. Thanks. So they have plugs on the sides of the fryers, chicken ovens. Completely forgot about it. It's funny. All right, so we're hoping it's just the trap that's plugged up. Mostly because they're starting production and I don't want to be here. And now when I say I don't want to be here, I don't want to be here during production. So I believe this is a 4-inch drain. That's why I brought in the K60. That is disgusting. I thought that was going to be a solid. Clearly, I don't like surprises like that. So it's going down, just not fast. That's what the grease does in these drains. That'll throw your shoulder out. So I'm gonna throw another couple cables in. Because it should be a lot lower than that. At least I think it should be. Yeah, so see, it's going down. So each of these cables are 15 feet. Okay, I think that's where the main problem was. These lines should probably be power washed or jetted, whatever you want to call it. They probably haven't been done in a while. I haven't heard anything about them being done in a while. But then again, I don't get all the information about everything all the time. So let's pour a small bucket of water down there, see how she goes. Gonna get another bucket. All right, so this is the third bucket. I think I'm gonna pull it out, see. This could even have an issue with the Interceptor, because like it shouldn't be backing up and then going down. Maybe there's a restriction in there. Maybe there's something in the pipe that I'm not even seeing. Plastic and strings. There's a primer line down there. That's what I was getting hung up on before. So I'm gonna get another bucket. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, so we just wrapped up. That is nasty. let's go back to the truck. Just gonna pick up the garbage. Okay, all done in there. No problem. Get to take this bloody beard mask off. I get it. But that's one of the reasons I don't like working in these places. Somebody at the desk. Have a good day. Are you able to buzz me out? Oh, is it? Oh, okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Or do you want me to sign out?
Yeah, just...
Where did I sign in? Sign in there.
just do it over here, just so we know.
Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Like sometimes they ask us to sign in. I think really you're supposed to sign in, but sometimes I forget. So that I don't end up doing it, obviously. So this is basically how I keep my K60. So I built this this rack here for my ladder. The cables I put up here out of the way. Like that. I can hang my cords there, up there. All right, got my big ladder there. Big ladder. I think it's only a 5 foot. And then put the machine down there. Take the bungee cord just so that it stays in place. Then I take my trolley or cart or whatever you want to call it. I bungee that in. And then you guys know that's the K50. And we just kind of sit that in there like that. And that's it. Nice and easy. So I want to thank you guys for watching. This being Jay, that drain guy. I'm hoping the recording is going through. I can't really see it right now. But until next time, Trogna.